All right, good morning, students. My name is Miss Rodriguez, and we're going to be learning something new and exciting today. Who is ready to learn? Yay, I'm so excited that you guys are excited to learn. Developing graph sense is what we're going to be working on today, and more specifically, bar graphs. Has anybody heard about bar graphs before today? Raise your hand if you have. Only 2 people? Well, that's okay, because we're going to learn all about it today. Bar graph. A bar graph is a graph drawn using rectangular bars to show how large each value is. Okay? Everybody write it down so you know. Okay. These are the bars. That's what makes it a bar graph, is these bars. Okay? Next, the title. The title is very, very important because that is going to tell you what your chart is going to be about. This chart is what kind of soda people like. So what do you think is going to be on it? Stephanie? Yes. Which sodas a person likes? Next, we need to know the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis is a horizontal line. The y-axis is the vertical line. This is the x. It's horizontal. This is the y. It is vertical, okay? The numbers on the y-axis tell you how much each bar is worth, and that on the x-axis, they tell you what the bars represent. Like on this graph, root beer. This is one of the bars of one of the sodas people like, and it's root beer. Okay? And these are the numbers on the side to help you determine how many people actually like root beer. So we scroll over to the top, 20 people like root beer. Okay. Does everybody get this so far? Is there any questions? All our examples today, yes, there can be a 0, there won't be a bar, but for our sake, each bar is going to be a certain number, okay? This is our first example today. What kind of sodas people like? And the question is, how many people like Big Red soda? So what is the first thing you're going to do? Steven, what's the first thing you're going to do with this bar? Yes, look at the question. What is the question asking you? Right, how many people like Big Red? So what do I do next? Yes, I'm going to find the bar that says Big Red. Okay. This one says root beer, this one says Coke, this one says Big Red, right? So this is the bar we need. So looking at this bar, how many people do you think like Big Red? What do you do? Right, you go to the top, scroll it over. 40 people like Big Red. Right, very good. Our next example. When children rode their bike. So who can tell me what they think this is going to be about? Just by looking at all the different details. Ashley? Yeah. What days a week children rode their bikes the most? So what's the question? What day did the children ride their bikes the most? So what do we do? Michelle, what do we do? Right, we find the Saturday bar. which color is the Saturday bar? Michael, which color is the Saturday bar? Is blue. Right. So how many people on Saturday rode their bike? What are you going to do? Oh, I mean, that's right. That is the answer. Saturday was the most days children rode their bike. Right. Very good. Good job. And the final one. People's favorite color. Okay. So we have red, blue, green, pink, and purple. Now the question asks, how many people like the color green? What do you do? How do you figure out the answer? Stephanie, what do you do? Right, you would find the bar that has the green. So how many people like the color green? How many do you think? 30? Very good. Very, very good. And that is it. I'm going to walk around and pass everybody this handout, okay? Has a few questions on it. I want you to review the chart and tell me and answer the questions. And if you have questions, raise your hand if you don't understand something or can't figure it out. I'll walk around the room so we can all learn this together.